Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was down just a little bit more than 0.4% today. We do have a change in our signals today. We have a yellow signal now on the fast signal for the stock market, and still the same signals for the bond market that we've had for quite some time. And if you've been following along, obviously one of the things I've been talking about and really kind of been emphasizing is this concept of this rebalancing that's happening. I think it's quite obvious if you look and kind of see what's happening here. The things that have done the best are the ones that are coming down the most. So your NASDAQ was down more than 1% today. And that obviously had a huge run up. Matter of fact, the NASDAQ had the best start since 1999 so far this year. So what happens when you're rebalancing something, obviously, if whatever you have that's gained the most gets sold off the most, and whatever you have that's done the worst gets purchased. So we've seen several days here during this rebalancing period here at the end of the quarter where stocks have been sold off and bonds have been purchased. And so you're seeing that, across the board. And so you're going to see tech stocks sell off more because they did even better. Now we'll have to see what happens because we're here almost at the end of the quarter. If you look at the last several quarters, the bottom was kind of hit around the 28th, which will be Wednesday coming up here. So we'll see if this plays out. Now, does this get its own life and start to take off and go down, continue down? Or once this rebalancing is done, does buying start to come in and we start to see some run up in some of these shares? That's what we'll be watching for. Maybe we see some different things happening here a little bit because we are heading into a holiday time period with the 4th of July and what have you. But nonetheless, if this is going to play out the way that we hope it plays out, we'll see some strength come in here by the end of the week and what have you too. So altogether, things are still the same. That kind of drove the market up in terms of what's going on. So it's just a matter of kind of watching and seeing how this plays out. Again, it's something we expected to happen. I think that is hopefully making this downturn a little bit easier to, stomach. And also, we have a yellow signal. We will respond to that yellow signal in our IRA accounts, again, because we don't have commissions to buy or sell. Just in case things do start to come down, we'll get a little bit more conservative there. But if the things do turn around, we'll get back to a green signal. We'll come back in and participate on that upside. So anyway, that's what's happening right now today. Really interesting time period. Markets are, I think, still in a very good spot. Hopefully we get through this rebalancing section at the end of the quarter and we can kind of start to go back upward again. We'll see how this plays out. Look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Thank you.